Now coming on to the hadith. There is a difference between istihaadah and also there is difference between haid. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the haid, the menstrual blood which comes from the womb, from the uterus, from the womb that you and me are created from. And the istihaadah, the blood of istihaadah comes out from the veins, So this both the blood are different. So when it comes to haid, we know the ruling. They are not supposed to pray. They are not supposed to fast. They can't have relationship with their husbands, isn't it? We know the rulings. But when it comes to istihaadah, they have to fast. They have to pray. They can have relationship with their husbands. Absolutely, there is no problem at all. And this is known as istihaadah. There is something called haid. There is something called istihaadah. Fatima bint Abi Hubaysh and also her sister, they had this hereditary problem where they used to have istihaadah. Istihaadah is a regular blood flow, and the blood flows for several months. And we know that the menstrual blood is for about 1 day to 3 days to 5 days to 6 days to 7 days. And sometimes some woman will get in the beginning of the month, middle of the month, or end of the month. But the istihaadah is not like that. Istihaadah is something, a disease. It's a blood from vein. It causes any time, and that might goes to months together. That might go to 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, years together. In that case, will you stop praying? Will you stop having intimacy with your husband? Will you stop having siyam in the month of Ramadan? No. So we need to understand the ruling. Imam Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani rahimahullah, he brought this hadith here, istihaadah, because this does not break the wudu, and it is not necessary for you to make ghusl. And also all the rulings apply for you. When it comes to istihaadah and haid, inshallah ta'ala, we will be discussing in detail in our chapters which comes after a couple of chapters, the chapter of menstruation, haid. But I want to brief you up about the haid. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the haid, the blood of the haid, menstrual blood, is thick and smelly and black in color. But the blood of istihaadah is general blood. It is thin and normal. It does not smell. This is the difference. Now there are among the women who are al-mu'tada, and it is obligatory. This kind of knowledge is obligatory for every person of us to know, even for men to know, because you can teach your wives, you can teach your daughters, you can teach your mothers, you can teach your family members. They don't have to go to any person whom they feel shy about.